Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Nintendo Switch Starlink Battle for Atlantis Starter Box Kit. So, originally this was like $74. Yeah, that's kind of high. But electronic, they had it on clearance for $22.48. So I was like, yeah, now's the time to get it. Because I remember, I don't know who it was, but someone in the comments was like, dude, are you going to get, the Starlinks? And I replied in the comments saying, no, at this point in time in my life, I don't feel I'm going to start, the whole Starlinks question, because of financially, at that point in time, it was like, nah, I just can't afford it. It's like, do I pay the car insurance so I can drive the car, or do I buy Starlinks and not drive the car? And I was like, what choice I make? I was like, well, I know what choice I'm going to make. I'm going to go pay my insurance so I could go and drive the car. So, yeah. And then, $74. That's really a lot, considering you don't really get that much with it. But, yeah, like I said, when I saw like $22 a ton, I was like, yeah, there's no way I'm gonna pass up a deal like that. $22.48 versus $74.99. Yeah, so about $75 this original was, and if I'm getting it for like $22, which is like the price of almost a used PS4 game, I'm like, yeah, considering that it's a whole starter set that's brand new, sealed in the box, I was like, oh, yeah, definitely. So, what do you get in this box? So, you get exclusive add-on content of, Fox McCloud and the Arwing and stuff. So, you get 2 parts Fox McCloud, you get Mason Lane, the Arwing, a Flamethrower, Barrage, the controller mount that you're supposed to control and all the ports go onto, the game, and a poster. The StarlinkGame.com. Not really much in the back. Kind of a little bit about each character and stuff. Not really a whole lot, that they have that's going on for it. So, yeah, made by Ubisoft, Have It, Snowdrop, all them. A lot of people say you could just beat the game with like just the game, or I think it was just like the starter set. You don't really need any add-on accessories. But yeah, so we'll move that back a little bit. Then I also put up some of the battleships, like there's the Neptune, Lancer, what is this one? Pause, and some of the battle pads, which I guess you could say weapon accessory pads. They just as weapons. So there's that one and that one. Yeah. So all of this